Kill the I can't attitude. Now, every I can't someone says is self-sabotage in disguise. It is quite easy for people to say I can't. Sometimes it is the instantaneous answer you get when you suggest changes. Change is difficult, but change should not be met with I can't. Now, I remember consulting for a business executive for on a project, and there were a number of changes that were recommended for them to do because if those changes do not happen, then we do not move the business to the next phase. And it was met with I can't, or we don't have to. During then, I stopped the conversation. I was like, we need to fix that mindset. Why is it that instead of saying I can't, why don't we ask ourselves, how can we or how can I? Because see, a lot of us crave progress. A lot of us crave what is beyond or the results beyond implementing the change that we need to implement. But if you go by the I can't attitude, then obviously you're not going to see the results at the end of the day. So kill the I can't attitude. And instead of saying I can't, always ask yourself, how can I? Now, the way the mind works is different. That if you change your perspective or you change your instantaneous reaction to any change from being from I can to how can I, the mind will definitely work out a way for you to find resources to make that impossible possible. Because with every how can I, momentum builds, solution replaces excuses, and growth becomes inevitable. So wake up today and shout out the word I can't. Whenever it feels impossible, instead of screaming how I can't, ask yourself, how can I? And you will see progress. You will see how the mind will rewire itself to provide you with solutions. Have a good week and see you.